Ashley and welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to show you guys how I do my nails. So about a year ago, about a year ago, I stopped going to the nail salon because I was spending around 80 to 90 bucks a month just on nails. And this was around the time where I had to get my spinal tap and I wanted to save some money, so I decided to stop going. But I really needed to keep getting my nails done. I couldn't just go bare nails, okay? So I went on Amazon and I bought a bunch of stuff and I was just doing my nails myself. And that process, 2, sometimes plus hours to do my own nails. I was saving money. I saved a ton of money that way, but oh my gosh, the time frame of doing it. It's like I had to clear my whole schedule. And so recently I just thought, why don't you try press-ons? A lot of people are using press-ons now, and I think that they've come a long way since like back in the day, because my mom didn't want to pay money for nails. She did that once and they lasted literally a day. And so from then on it was like press-ons, but they sucked. They never stayed on. They were just terrible. And so I was thinking, maybe they're the same way, but I'll give it a shot. And so I am never going back. And I love press-ons. I love them so much. It's so cost effective. It's time effective. It's just great. And so I thought, if you want to get some cool nails for Halloween, but you don't want to spend Halloween money because they charge extra for those little Hi puppy. Hi puppy. Sorry. But they charge extra for those designs. So if you want to skip that, if you want to save 40 plus dollars, then please keep watching this video. Also, just a huge disclaimer, I am not a nail technician. I don't do anyone's nails. I didn't go to nail school. I didn't go to cosmetology school or anything like that. This is just the stuff that I use for myself, that have worked for me. So take everything I say with a grain of salt. I mean, it really works for me and I really love my nails and it saved me so much money. I can't even begin to calculate, because I don't do math, how much money it saved me, but not a nail technician. So please be safe and careful. But without further ado, let's get into the video. So now we're going to get started. So I have the nails I'm going to use, the Wonder Bond glue, which I love. And here's another glue you can use, but I'm not going to use that. So now we're going to start prepping the nails. Once you open this up, you'll find some more stickies, so you can use the stickies or the glue, but I prefer using the glue personally. So now we're going to start measuring the fake nails to our nails. So if you have one that is too wide, it's going to feel like you have an ingrown nail, and that is not fun. And if you have one that's too small, it's going to show too much of your own nail and it's just going to look silly. So we have to make sure that we find one that actually fits. If you have one that's comparable and you just need to file down the sides, that's okay too. And once you find the ones that you like, you'll start laying them out in a line. I find that this is the easiest thing for application processes. So now we're going to start putting glue on the nails. So I like to put my glue just at the very top of the nail. I don't like covering the whole fake nail in glue because my nails are very short. So if I did that, I would likely get glue on my skin. And that's a whole nother thing in and of itself that I just don't want to deal with. But I do cover my entire nail in glue. I find that it helps it adhere to the fake nail better. So I always cover my entire nail with the glue and then just the top of the fake nail with glue. And now we're ready for the application. So I always apply my nail at a bit of an angle and really press that into the cuticle. I like these to last for a long time, so I don't want a little gap there because then it's going to make it look like it grew out a lot. But then you hold it down for a couple of seconds. I usually do 10 to 15 just to make sure that bond is really strong. So this is what it looks like when it's done. I personally don't like the shape, so I use these guillotine cutters and I cut down my nails because I'm not a coffin girl. I need some short nails. So once I cut them down, I file it a bit to get the shape that I like, and here you go. Now to repeat that process on all of the other nails. So once again, we're just going to put glue on the fake nail just at the very top, cover my entire nail in glue, apply the fake nail at an angle, really pressing it into that cuticle, holding down for 10 to 15 seconds, and if you're like me and you need to cut them down a little bit, then you cut and file, and before you even know it, you're gonna be done. Here is me finding out that I had one too many nails because I can't math. So here is one nail done. Now if I didn't do the cutting and the filing and everything, I could probably do this set in maybe like 5 to 10 minutes. So it's a really quick and easy way to look great. Now with the other hand, one thing that I do like to do is measure the nails to make sure that they look somewhat similar. Like I said, I'm not a nail technician, but I want it to look good. But here is the finished look. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe down below. If you wouldn't mind, please comment what you would like me to do next. A new subscriber told me that I should go through my makeup collection, which is probably not as big as you would think. I have toned it down quite a bit. So I have a whole bunch of expired makeup that I, for whatever reason, cannot let go of. Eek. Maybe I shouldn't have said that. But if you would like to see all the skeletons in my closet, all of the makeup that I no longer use, don't even like, but refuse to get rid of as well, just let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.